Tower, citation November 300 Juliet Whiskey is holding short of 6 left. Ready to
go. Juliet Whiskey Tower, bonsoir. Line up, runway 06 left and wait.
Line up and wait, 6 left, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Sure. Order 125, exit left, contact ground 121.9er.
Exit left in 1219er, reporter 125, bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Parfait, alors de l'autre côté du pont Jacques-Cartier, appelez la Tour de Saint-Hubert 118 décimal 4. Au revoir.
Merci.
00 Juliet Whiskey, we're still waiting for the turbulence of the Airbus. While you wait, modify your departure instruction to turn left, heading 040 to maintain 5,000 feet. The balance is unchanged.
Okay, 040 5,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Sure. Juliet Whiskey, contact departure, establish on the heading 040. The wind is 080 at 13 knots, if left takeoff, runway 06 left.
Clear for takeoff, 6 left, and departure airborne, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Sure.
Power's coming up. Nice and stable.
Rouge 1606,
Doing takeoff.
Ready, Rouge 1606.
Power's achieved.
Rouge 1606, star, line up, runway 06
clean,
left, and wait.
alive.
Line up, wait, runway 06 left, Rouge 1606, and I forgot to mention the clearance, we're playing a noise 1 today.
Very good, that's noted now.
Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Get on that phone. Lights off. V2 plus 10.
Oui, on vire à droite, cap 140.
Departure citation November 300 Juliet Whiskey 1700 climbing 5,000 040 on the heading.
00 Juliet Whiskey, Terminal identify, climb 16,000.
16,000 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Contact 690 Low, contactez Centre Montréal sur 13235.
3235 Air France, 690.
Rouge 1596, votre info, il y avait une drone rapportée par un Airbus 330 juste avant de vous par peut-être 6000, est à environ 6000 pieds, blanc et rouge.
OK, on vérifie, merci, Rouge 596.
Amérique 440 Medevac, procédez maintenant direct Lockview en route.
Procédez direct Lockview en route, Médic 701.
Roger. 300 Juliet Whiskey, make a left turn, fly heading of 330.
330 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger. Sprint 820, contact Senior Tower 1184.
184, Sprint 820, good day.
Roger. Medic 440 Medevac, volet monter en tête, 6000 pieds.
On monte en 6000 pieds, on indique 40 Medevac.
Roger. Juliet Whiskey, direct Savix on course.
Direct Savix on course 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger.
November 300 Juliet Whiskey, contact Selfridge approach now, 119.6.
196 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
Good day.
Approach citation November 300 Juliet Whiskey is 12-3 descending 10,000. We have kilo.
citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, Salvage approach altimeter 2983. And you're going to be entering an area of precipitation in 4 miles. It's about 10 miles from east to west, light and a small area of moderate, right over pickup.
0 Juliet Whiskey, thank you. One to go.
Citation 0 Juliet Auto at and maintain 6,000.
Okay, auto at 6,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey. And approach 0 Juliet Whiskey with a quick question.
0 Juliet Whiskey, go ahead.
Yeah, looking at the weather just north of the field there, they're advertising ILS to 1.5. I was wondering if we could put in a request for ILS 3.3 instead.
0 Juliet Whiskey, you can make that request with Detroit. I'll be handing you off right around Otto.
All right, thank you. One to go.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Detroit approach 134.3. Have a good night.
Okay, 34-3, 300 Juliet Whiskey, good day. Detroit approach, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, 6,000 with kilo, and I'd like to put 3-3 on request if we could. Looks like there's a weather north of the field.
300 Juliet Whiskey, turn approach, expect the ILS approach, runway 33.
All right, I appreciate it. 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Lufthansa 443 Heavy, contact Cleveland Center 127.7. Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, flyer present headings to maintain 3,000.
3,000, present heading, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Short approach, medevac, Coletta 95, 6,000, turning to a heading of 120.
Coletta 95, turn approach, enter.
On to go. Lima.
040 at 7, visibility 5 with mist, ceiling 700 overcast, temperature 21, dew point 19er, altimeter 2986, ILS approach in use, landing and departing runway 33.
Delta 220,
runway 33 copies out of service and use caution for bird activity about the field. Advise on initial contact, you have Lima.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn right heading 310, intercept the 33 localizer.
310 to join the localizer for 330 Juliet Whiskey.
Coletta 95, so maintain 2,400.
Said 2,400, medevac, Coletta 95.
Delta 220 Heavy, climb maintain 17,000. Delta 220 Heavy, contact Cleveland Center 132.45. Medevac Coletta 95 for direct Dunto.
Direct Dunto, medevac, Coletta 95.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, 3 miles from GOMAC, cleared ILS, runway 33 approach.
Cleared ILS 33 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Detroit City Tower 121.3.
21-3, 300 Juliet Whiskey, good day. City Tower, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey's ILS 33.
Calling City.
300 Juliet Whiskey's ILS 33.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, City Tower, runway 33, clear to land, current wind 050 at 6.
Okay, clear to land 33, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
And Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, we had a report of some geese on the right side of about 3,000 feet down the rollout end here. I haven't seen them there, but they might have been reported creeping back this way. But just keep your eyes peeled for some little bit of bird activity about the field.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you.
You got it. And if I'll keep the binos out. If I see them, I'll certainly give you a more detailed spot of them.
Roger. Thank you.
All right, speed checks, flaps are moving. All right, we're going down to 876. Okay, there's 1,000 to minimums.
I do see about 8 midfield right side, about maybe 30 feet off the right side.
All right, we'll be looking for them. We'll be slow by then, hopefully.
Yeah, right on.
Minimums. There's the runways, and well, kind of was for a second. One cloud right in our way.
500.
Checks. There's the runway again.
Got the runway right at 1100 for 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Thank you.
Autopilot. Minimums.
Continue.
Altitude 0 Juliet Whiskey, right turn when able, right turn on to Alpha into the aft side ramp to frequency.
Right on Delta, and we see the Geese. We scared them away, I guess.
Beautiful. And exit 838 City, I do have that clearance if you're ready. Exit 838, looks like they're going to let it go as you filed there. You are clear to that Foxtrot Hotel Bravo Airport via radar vectors Charlie Romeo Lima, and then as filed. After departure, climb maintain 3000, expect flight level 400, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency is 134.3, squawk 7467. Exit Jet 838, the readback is correct.